Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Lamborghini Aventador SVJ, and this is by Tomica or Takara Tomy. So let's unbox and see how this one looks. So I think this one also I bought from Amazon if I'm not wrong. So I bought it with some kind of discount. See, right now I don't remember, but Amazon actually gives around somewhere around 40 to 50 rupees discount from MRP, and that too with free delivery most of the time. Specifically if you are having a Prime membership, that would be well and good. Okay, the discount is not exclusive to Prime members, but it is good if you are having a Prime membership. The delivery will be free of charge most of the times. Okay, let's see how this one looks. Okay, so the initial impressions of this car are, man, this looks really beautiful. Wow, they actually put some kind of plastic for the headlights. I know when I saw the images, in the website when I'm ordering this, I thought it was just painted, but you can see here it is painted, but it has some kind of plastic on top of that. That Y-shaped design is painted. I personally love this piece. It looks really nice. So the only nitpick for me here is the wheels. They could have added some kind of unique wheels to the specific car, but it's okay, it's just a main line. So the tail lights are actually painted, it's not any plastic or fiber. It has good detailing to it. When the Lamborghini logo written there, and the mesh behind that one, everything is embossed. Okay, this is 1/68 scale, and so the spoiler is actually made of metal, it's not plastic. The paint job is kind of a glittery green, not too glittery, but it's subtle. Even I can't able to see any engine detailing via this one, and this is purely tinted. There are some interior details as well. It looks good, but in video I can't able to show it to you guys. It's tinted actually. Wow, this one is really nice. I really love this one. Okay, let's see if it has suspension. It does has. Okay, let's do a roll test. It doesn't roll really that well, but compared to the other two Lamborghinis which we unboxed in this week, this one actually rolls really smooth. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and it will be great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.